It's a perfect situation to make musical sounds.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. Sorry there wasn't any videos out last week. It's been difficult for me. It's been a difficult few weeks. Pain-wise and everything. And so now I'm playing catch up on everything. I just thought I'd show you my latest quilt. It's only 62 inches by 62 inches, total square, nice big lap quilt. I know exactly where I want it for, is to go on my knee when I'm on the computer to keep me warm. So this is my latest quilt. Let's take this down. As you know, I showed you this fairy panel, which I bordered it attic window style, but small thin windows so it doesn't distract and elongate her arm and everything, so it's perfectly right. As you know as well, it was hanging here for a while until I got the inspiration what to do with it. It's been hanging here. This is the inspiration I've got to do with it now, is make it a complete like window scene by having curtains up against it. So I'm going to have to work out how to do it, half square triangles and whatever, so it's there just for inspiration again. I'm waiting for my inspiration, but that's my fairy quilt, not coming along, but that's where it is at the moment. But this one I've got a little fabric haul, and I'll bring you around now and show you. This long pole thing is, I'm not sure exactly how long it is. Let me just see. The pole itself, or the fabric that's on it, looks to be about 54 inches wide. And where I'm using the scissors so I can open it. This, so if you can hear that, it's a wind, it's an extremely windy day. This is curtain lining fabric, and as you can see there, it's quite thick because it's complete blackout, and I'm going to be making some curtains for my son's new flat and Christmas presents for him. And so that's, I've got 10 meters of it because I need to make a few curtains, and he wants them all blackout. But this is a box of fabric. This is some fabric I thought I'd like in a quilt, because I'm thinking of making a black and white quilt. And yes, with spiders in their webs. And so that's towards a black and white quilt I'm thinking of doing. This I bought some of this a while ago and it's very, very good. I made a pair of ski pants and used what was left to make a dress, and it's gorgeous. It doesn't have as much stretch in it as what I normally would make the ski pants out of, but it's lovely. This I thought would make quite a nice blouse that'd possibly go with them. We'll see. I just liked it. This they were selling off. This is stretch, plain white cream stretch fabric, and it's only got a one-way stretch. No, it doesn't stretch sideways. Great for ski pants, but this was extremely cheap. How much was it? I've had 6 meters of it, so 6 meters would make me about 4 pairs of ski pants, or a pair of ski pants and a cardigan and possibly a bit left over and make a pair of shorts for summer. But that has cost me £9 for 6 meters. So does it say the individual meter price? Individual meter price is £1.50 per metre, so you can't go wrong with that. So that's in my stash. This is I won't bother getting it out. It's crushed velvet. Ooh, it has got a stretch to it, a one-way stretch. Didn't think it would have, because I'm going to try and use this in conjunction with the blackout curtain lining to make curtains for my son. Might be too much of a stretch, might not be. I'll see how it works out. So it's only a little small haul, because there's nothing else apart from the 10 meters of the crushed black velvet. But if I don't use it on these curtains, I'll use it for some clothes for me, and that was only £2.45 a metre, and I've had 10 metres of it. So £24, but 10 metres of it. Yes. Same as I had 10 metres of the blackout curtains and material, and that was even cheaper. No, more expensive. That was £3.95 a metre. Yep, and that's all there is in my little small haul. Thank you. Bye.
It's a